Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 1968 Mustang. She is Highland Green, just like the Bullitt Mustang. There's a 289 under the hood, all freshened up. You are gonna love checking this car out, and I'm gonna love showing it to you. We got great looking chrome, great looking grille, that Highland Green paint looking sweet, all the trim looking great, all the body lines looking awesome. She is a beauty. When you look down the side of the car, the body work is phenomenal. Thousands of hours have went into this car building it. Got the great looking wheels on it, just like in the movie. Disc brakes up front. Rocker moldings are painted just like the movie car. All the body lines look great. All the moldings that need to be green are green, just like in the movie. You can see the interior, super clean. Door panels look great. Door jambs are all nicely painted. Wood steering wheel, center console, 4-speed shifter hooked up to that Hurst shifter. We got the Hurst ball on there with the 4-speed. We got the fold down back seat here, and there is a back seat underneath there with seat belts, so you can strap the kiddies in back there. All the trims back there around the back window. Headliner's looking sweet. The dash pad itself's looking good. We got great looking gauges on the faces. The lenses look good. Man, everything about the interior on this car is looking sweet. She is a beauty. We got meats on the back. We got great looking chrome. Now the whole ass end's all blacked out just like in the movie. The Mustang's taken off the tail panel here on the deck lid. The duals come straight out in the back just like in the movie. Open up the trunk here. Nice and clean in here too. You always want to check out the trunk floor. You can see nice paint here on the trunk floor. We got a brand new tank in here. Wheel well's nice and clean. Nice paint on the bottom side of the deck lid. See even the lights working in here. Even the trim around the tail lights looking good. We got good looking chrome here on the rear bumper. Look down the side of the car, straight as can be. She is a beauty. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever, so that means we own this Bullitt Mustang. So you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. When we get them here to the shop, we put them up on the lift, check them all out on the bottom side so we can answer any questions you may have. Now if you want any close-up shots of it, you've got any particular questions about the car, call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now I've got about 35 years in the business playing around with these old cars, and I'm gonna put all 35 of those years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. Let's go find us a charger. Let's go find us a hill to jump. Man, does this sound good. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can send this Bullitt anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you. We ship all over the world. We can also help you out with financing, no problem whatsoever. Just call Tom and he will explain the whole process to you. We've got 3 or 4 bankers we work with on a daily basis. Listen to that exhaust, man. She sounds amazing. Now we're real close to the airport here at Vanguard too. So if you'd like to fly in and check it out in person, man, we would love to have you. Right now, we actually have a couple 3 Bullets in stock. All different motor sizes, anything you want. Go to the website, check it out. Now look down here on the dash. We got the tack working, the speedo's working. Now the speedo's bouncing a little bit. I'm gonna have the mechanics check that out, see what's going on with that. Rest assured, when we park this dream in your driveway, that speedo will be working perfect. It does have an aftermarket radio in it. It's got the little garage door. That's so cool. We got the operating instructions in there. Man, the paint on the hood on this car, look at the reflections. Man, that Highland Green paint is looking sweet. Man, the gearbox feels good. 4-speed, just like Steve had in the day. Go get you a Charger. Listen to this baby. Man, she sounds good. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can check out the bottom side. Then we're gonna pop the hood and see what's making those mufflers make all that beautiful music coming out of those tailpipes. All right, we're underneath this Bullitt Mustang now, and it is pretty under here. You can see it's got a brand new tank, brand new exhaust. The drop downs and the quarter panels look great. Looks like the spring packs are also rebuilt. The bushings up here look like they're new. The exhaust hangers, of course, they're new. The frame looks new. It is in beautiful shape. That's how good it looks. Beautiful here. The pinch weld also looks great. Rear end housing, man, look how nice and clean that is. Looking good. Right around a 279 gear, and it is an open rear end. Looks like we got brand new shocks too. Flowmaster mufflers. Even the drive shaft's been painted up with bare metal paint. The bushings and the U-joints, everything looking good here. Still got the tag on the rear end here also. Looks like the fuel line is also new, or it's been cleaned up at least. It's even got the protector here that came from the factory there. That actually just keeps, if you hit something, keeps you from crushing the brake line, or not the brake line, but the fuel line. Everything looking sweet under here. Floorboards look good. Now these floorboards look like they've been replaced in 2 pieces, left side and the right side, and they've done such a nice job putting them in there. I tell you what, at first glance, you can't even tell that it's been done. Frame members here also look good. Now on the transmission here, this is a 1968 Toploader wide ratio trans. It is not original to the car, but it is what belongs in the car if it was built in 1968. Jet coated headers looking good. Power steering on the car. Disc brakes up front looking good. Everything looking brand new. Calipers, backing plates, lower control arms, bushings, everything looking good. Upper control arms also look good. Springs nice and clean. They look new. Shocks look new. Bushings look new. The rotors also look new. Radius arms look new, and also the bushings in the radius arms look new. I mean, just everything under here. I mean, new is a common word on this car. All the nuts and bolts, everything up there, nice and clean. Again, a lot of new stuff up in there. Everything's nice and clean. Of course, we got Bullitt wheels on here and some new BFGs. Let's see, we got 215 65 15s. My eyes are going. I have a hard time seeing. As you can see, the rocker moldings are painted green just like the Bullitt car was in the movie. I always tell you guys, I always try to get a finger up in there, feel around. I don't feel any patchwork. Nice smooth metal on the back side. That pinch weld's looking good. Bottom side of the rocker, I can still see stampings in there. That tells you that rocker is in beautiful shape. Out back here, of course, we got some more rubber on the road. 245 60 15s back here. And again, these rims are looking sweet. Well, let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a fresh 289 making the power. There's a 670 4-barrel Holley carburetor sitting on top. It's sitting on top of an Edelbrock intake. Everything under here is nicely painted, nice and cleaned up. It's got Ford Racing valve covers on it. The car does have power steering and the car does have power brakes. We got the proportioning valve here for the brakes going to the back. Everything under here is nice and clean. On these Mustangs, you always want to check these inner aprons here where they're spot welded together. That's the first thing to go on these cars. You can always tell the condition of the car by these inner aprons. You also want to check out the shock towers. Shock towers on this car, clean as a whistle. You can see everything under here is nicely painted, nice and clean. Firewall's nice and clean. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. Even the turn signals are hooked up in the hood. Man, that's a real plus. A lot of times those aren't hooked up. Radiator looks like it's a nice clean unit. We've even got Ford Moco type stamped in the hoses here, man. She's a sweetheart, guys. She's painted Highland Green. She's got a 4-speed. It's a top loader. It's got Bullitt wheels on it. It's a gorgeous car, guys. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.